Hey yo, what is up everyone, it's HAZRD here and welcome back for a brand new video here on the channel. Today I'm super excited because we're working on my Suzuki RM today. We had the beta just chilling behind us, so gonna start working on the engine, troubleshooting that real soon. But for right now, we're working on the RM, and good news is my dad has fixed the exhaust. So now there's no more holes in the exhaust. And I just want to say big thanks to my dad, I really do appreciate it. So now the bike runs, you can see some clips right here. So yeah, there's still a lot of things we need to fix up on the bike, but I'm really excited because, it's an RM and it works. So with $0 invested into this bike, it's now running with a full exhaust system. So we actually had the Metal Kit thrower muffler from a moped tuning exhaust, and we also have, you know, the stock exhaust. But it runs really good. I mean, there's still a lot of things we need to fix, like the rear suspension is kind of like done, and the fork seals need to be changed and stuff like that. But that's gonna be stuff we fix over time, because today we're gonna do something that I think will do a big difference, and that is installing this bar right here, which is a Renthal Dirtbike handlebar. Like, that's gonna make a big difference right there. So and also gonna look a lot better. So we're gonna do that today, and we're gonna ride a little bit more to see how it feels. I get some cool GoPro clips. So if you're excited, make sure to leave it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, because we'll be posting a lot more videos coming up. And we're also closing in on 7,000 subscribers, which is crazy. So yeah, I'm super excited, hope you guys are as well. But without further ado, let's get straight into it. Alright, so to change up the bars, it's super easy. We're just gonna have to take off everything, and we already have the left grip on here, and this one is actually nicer than the one that's on here. So we don't need to worry about that. So all we need to do is take off the clutch lever, this stop button, this brake master cylinder, and also the throttle grip. So that's gonna be easy. So for the throttle grip, we just need a normal screwdriver. Here we need some 8mm. Here we need some 10 for the bars. This one we need a tiny screwdriver, and for the clutch lever, we need a screwdriver. So screwdriver, 8 and 10, maybe 13. I'm just gonna grab everything and just see. Alright, so let's just start up with the clutch lever right here. Super easy. Just a little screw. And this one as well. And this one as well. There you go. Okay, we also need a cutter to take off that zip tie, but that shouldn't be too big of a deal. And this one we probably don't need to take off all the way. We could probably just loosen it up and slide it off, hopefully. If we steer it all the way, we're just gonna lose. Okay, please don't fall over. There you go. Oh, almost. Yeah, we did it. And then we just need the 8 and zip and the cutter for the zip tie. And this one we probably don't need to take off all the way either. Okay, slide it off. That's what I'm guessing, at least. Alright, so we just need a cutter and take off the bars. And then let's just take off the bars. Okay, it's not a 13, so maybe it's a 10. Nope, it's like an 11, 12, what the fuck. Just because it's an old size, I'm just gonna use one of these wrenches, and that is adjustable, and we're just gonna see if this works. And these screws have probably never been changed. Like, everything on this bike is like OEM. So that's kinda crazy though. And it hasn't been raced on like a track, so it's not beat up. Like, I mean, the tires are good and everything. It's like kind of crazy, even though there's a lot of things, you know, that wears over the years, but overall it's actually in good condition, which is kind of crazy to me. And I really want to know, is there anyone who's watching this video who has a 90s Suzuki RM and have done a 2020 restyle, has gotten the 2020 fuel tank seat and plastics and put them on this bike, And because here's the thing, I really want to know if it works to put the fuel tank and the seat from at least like an 01 or something like that, when it's like the newer plastics, because I don't really like these, like, I don't know, it's just looking old, and I want the new look. So, have anyone put RM85 plastics on a RM80cc? Because I would really like to know that, because I really want to do it on this bike. So let me know in the comment section down below, have you done a restyle, or have you seen anyone on YouTube do a restyle? Because I would love to see like a video or talk with someone who has the experience. I don't want to talk with you that doesn't know. You need to have experience or know someone I could like talk to or something that has experience. Because, you know, it's not always like everybody shows everything, and it would be good to talk with someone with experience. How much modifications you need to do and stuff like that. Because I don't want to put hundreds of dollars into plastics and stuff and not have them work for this bike, you know what I mean? So yeah, if you have an RM 80cc that you have done an 85cc look on, let me know in the comment section down below. But yeah, let's just compare the difference of these handlebars. You can see that these ones, like, you can even see it down here. Like, the difference between these handlebars are crazy though. Let's just, I mean, you can see right here, this is like 1.5 inches up here, and it's like the same on this side. I mean, of course, that makes sense, but it's like, it's so much shorter. It's gonna be so nice with a wide Renthal 22mm handlebar. So this is something I would recommend people to do on mopeds as well, is that they switch to a real like dirt bike handlebar. So if you can't afford, what I like to do is fat bars, which is the 28, they're oversized bar, whatever you want to call them. So they're 28mm down here, so you need one of these adapters. But 28mm down here, so you don't need this support bar, so it's a lot cleaner and it's a lot wider, and it just feels way better. So I mean, yeah, I think you guys can tell. Wait, yeah, there you go. I think you guys can tell which one is the best. But of course, like, this one works, but this one is double like the price. But I definitely prefer this one over that one, and definitely prefer both of these over this one, or any of the stock bars on any bike pretty much. Maybe the newer ones are better, but like the old bikes, like early 2000s and 90s, have these whack ass handlebars, which I would not recommend at all. And they also have these like things down here, so you can line them up perfectly, which is great. There is markings right here, so you can line up with these bar clamps. Oh, I didn't know Renthal bars are made in the UK. That's cool. Like, even if they were designed there, I would have thought they were made in China or something. But it's cool that they're made in UK. I respect that. I respect that. Wait, I should probably angle up the bars first before I tighten them. So wait, I need to get them into a comfortable position. Like, this is good. So let's just tighten it down right here. There you go. Now we just gonna put everything back on. I mean, this already feels better, dude. This already feels better. I mean, I know it's like kind of worn out, but the bars are good. So this can be crazy. Oh my god, this actually feels so much better already. It's crazy. So we're gonna put, last time the clutch lever was like out here, so like on the edge, but now we're gonna put them out, put it on like so it's perfect. So how I usually do with my clutch levers, how I line them up perfectly, is I first screw them into place, which is important, so you can move them around without having them fall down to the ground. Just gonna screw this thing in. Okay, so you're gonna pull it in and have it like as this. Okay, so when they're, I don't know what to say.
Okay, so first of all, the clutch lever goes out, and then it's like a little bend. And when the bend starts, that's when you wanna line up with your handlebar. That's at least how I like to do it. So I like to line it up with my grips. So where the bend starts out here, I like to line up with my bar. So this is gonna be perfect right here. Right here somewhere. Just gonna screw this into place. Okay, maybe a little bit more in. Yeah, that's good. And now it's time to put on this right here, the handbrake. And also, a lot of people have been pointing out that I always wear trading pants when I work in the garage. That's because I don't really have any pants to really use in the garage. So that's why I'm always wearing like Adidas pants. And no, I'm not sponsored by Adidas, and some people think that, but I'm just wearing something that's like, you know, movable. You can move in them and it works. So usually I never wear, here's the thing, I never wear like trading pants and stuff outside when I'm like when I'm not training, but like in the garage it works, but normally I just wear jeans, but I try not to wear my nice pants in the garage. I'm kind of scared that there's a thunderstorm coming, because it's really like dark clouds and stuff, and out here where I live you can't use like your electricity or like your internet and like PCs and stuff like that when it's thundering or when it's like a thunderstorm, because the electrical lines are in the air, and if the thunder strikes one of them, you're gonna lose the computer and internet and everything like that. So I'm uploading a video right now and I have to get it, really want to get it out today to keep the upload schedule, but I can't upload if it's like a thunderstorm, so that's kind of like sketchy. So that's why I have the door open right there, just in case, because you never know what's gonna happen and need to be ready. It's so nice with this GoPro head POV view, or whatever you want to call it. This GoPro mount on your head. It's super nice when working in the garage, because you can just turn on the GoPro, just work, and then if I comment on something and I say something, I can say it. When I have my normal phone, I need to set up angles and stuff like that, and it's kind of annoying. Not to be like, oh, I'm super lazy and stuff. I am not, but it's like when you're working, you wanna in the garage on your bikes and stuff, you wanna think about what you're doing on the bikes, so you don't mess anything up instead of like filming. So this is really nice in my opinion, just having it on my head, and I can say something when I feel like it. So I hope you guys like this POV view as well. I haven't uploaded, like I'm uploading the last video right now, so you guys have not seen it already. So I don't know what you guys think about it, but I think it's gonna be good with the POV cam. Bro, that looks, oh, okay, that looks so much better already. So now we only need to put on this little stop button. But yeah, this looks so much better. Snappy throttle, easy clutch, stop button. Oh, that's not even tight. I need to tighten that down so you don't lose it. There you go. Bro, this feels so much better now. Looks kind of like a beater bike, but looks way better now. Got to do some test riding with it now, see how it feels. Hopefully it feels really awesome. I'm just taking I'm trying to wheelie in low RPMs so I don't disturb my neighbors and shit. But it's hard, dude. There's no power in low RPMs on 85. I mean there is, but it's so easy to get into high RPMs on a bike like this. think I'm gonna get a thumbnail here, so let's go home and get the camera and let's take a thumbnail.
Alright, so we got the Pentax XR right here, which is a camera I shoot all my pictures with. Just gonna roll the bike down because I don't want to ride with the camera. So we're gonna push it down to the spot where I'm gonna take the picture, which is hopefully gonna be the thumbnail, and probably be one of a lot of pictures on Instagram. So make sure you follow me. Let's push this over there and take some awesome pictures.
But bro, this looks so clean right now, like for real, especially like up here. That is a shot in itself.
Alright, so now we are here at the photo spot. We got the Pentax right here, which we're gonna take some pictures with. Sadly, I can't really film with this. I'm gonna try to get like a Canon M50 or something like that in the future to record with. But right now, I got my trusty Oneplus 6. So we're gonna take some pictures of the RM right now.